Dark night birds. Dark night birds could refer to various species of birds. That are active during the night, commonly known as nocturnal birds. Nocturnal birds have adaptations that allow them to thrive in low light. Conditions, and they often have specialized features such as enhanced night vision, keen hearing, and quiet flight to aid in their hunting and survival. Some examples of dark night birds, or nocturnal birds, include owls. Owls are perhaps the most iconic nocturnal birds. They have large eyes adapted for low light vision and silent flight to help them hunt small mammals and other prey in the dark. Nightjars. Nightjars are known for their camouflaged plumage and their distinctive calls heard during the night. They are insectivores and are often active during the twilight hours. They are often seen flying around at dusk and dawn, catching insects in midair. Whippoorwills. Whippoorwills are medium-sized nightjars known for their repetitive whippoorwill calls that echo through the night. They primarily feed on insects. Night herons. Night herons are wading birds that are more active during the night. They feed on fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic creatures. Barn owls. Barn owls are known for their heart-shaped facial discs and are skilled hunters of small mammals like rodents. Tawny frogmouths. Tawny frogmouths are often mistaken for owls. Due to their appearance, but they are a separate family of birds. They are native to Australia and Southeast Asia. Eastern whippoorwill. This bird is native to North America and is known for its distinctive call, which sounds like its name. It's a member of the nightjar family. These birds have fascinating adaptations that allow them to thrive in the darkness and play important roles in various ecosystems by helping to control populations of insects and small animals. Please subscribe our channel.